Today, I'm actually on a road trip in my own home state of Connecticut. My husband is taking me out for my birthday, and we're heading to Hell's Kitchen. I am so excited. I am about ready to walk into Hell's Kitchen. It's located inside the Grand Pequot Tower, which is inside Foxwoods Resort and Casino. As I sat down, I was thinking to myself, what am I going to have for dessert? I'm going to have the famous sticky toffee pudding. Gordon Ramsay always raved about it on his show. It was served with a warm toffee caramel sauce, and it was absolutely delicious. I have zero complaints at all. Delicious. So my husband had the chocolate peanut butter trifle, and it came in this towering cup with a piece of peanut brittle on top. He absolutely loved it. He had no complaints whatsoever. It's visually appealing. It was satisfying. It's a large quantity. So the Aruba Design rating for dessert at Hell's Kitchen, 10 out of 10. Definitely no complaints. We'll definitely go again. If you want to see more reviews from Aruba Design Vacations, whether it's hotels or restaurants, click like and subscribe and ring that bell.